Hey, what's up guys? It's Frank here, and I am bringing you a tutorial on how to get custom buildings for your DayZ Epoch server. Um, yeah, so let's just get right into it. First off, you're going to want to launch into any DayZ Epoch server and just hit escape or disconnect from the server so you're at the home page. Then you're going to want to hit Alt-E and it'll just say select a map. We're going into the Arma 2 editor here. So select Chernarus or whatever map you're doing. I'm going to do Chernarus and hit continue. Also, I'm using 1.0.4.2a, I think it is, for the version of DayZ Epoch. Doesn't really matter what version you're doing. This has been the same. This method has been stable throughout all the latest, or throughout a lot of builds recently. Okay, so it'll bring you this map. What you want to do is you want to hit F10 and then double click anywhere and hit OK. And you want to hit F2 and then double click anywhere and hit OK. And then hit F1 and double click anywhere and hit OK. This part will take a little while. Alright, cool. So, let's just go to Northeast Airfield. So you're going to drag your guy over, because this spawns in a little AI character. So you want to drag him over, and then click him, and it'll bring the camera to him. And so, right now we're just going to do like the Northeast Airfield. And so, you can go wherever you want. And then, don't hit preview or any of that, just hit edit in 3D world. Okay, so it'll take us here. To move around like this is right click, side to side is A is left, D is, this is just normal WASD, you should know this. It's like flying a helicopter for going up and down. It's whatever you set that to. Mine's control for up and Z and down. Shift is to go fast, doing anything. So you can go fast forward, fast to the left, fast, anything like that. And those are like the basic controls you need to know. So hit F5 and then double click anywhere, and that'll bring up the our buildings that we have. So I was planning on making just a few barracks. So the barracks are in the map EU military tab, and you're gonna go down and find military barracks I. So hit that, okay. And shift is to move around your thing, and alt is to go up and down. That's good. Okay. So I was thinking about putting these. I was thinking about putting one right here. And so yeah, you can basically just like pause the video and do your thing. I guess I won't record this part while I'll just add in a couple of barracks. It won't take that long. Okay, it looks pretty even. And yeah, I mean it's the northeast airfield. It's not known for having a lot of stuff, but I mean, it's just at 3 barracks, keeping it pretty cool. You guys should make sure to check out our server, which is called Crinklybot Gaming DayZ Epoch. It's named after the YouTube. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Oh yeah, also deleting objects and stuff, you want to right click, and when the circle is red, you right click it and do delete. But if you don't get a circle, like it's not showing up and you're having trouble, you can just find it up here and you can right click. Okay. So I guess that's good. I guess that's enough. You want to hit save in the right tab thing. And oh yeah, what should I name this? Northeast Airfield. So NEF. You hit OK, and then you're good. Now I'm just gonna hit exit, and I'll see you at my desktop. Okay, Okay, we're back at the desktop. So your mission file that we just saved is gonna be in. All right, so you just wanna hit this little start menu thing, go to computer, and then documents, armor 2 other profiles, your name, Captain Jax, missions, and here it is, Northeast Airfield. And so we'll find a mission file. You're gonna double click the mission file, or oh wait, I forgot to add. For this tutorial, you're gonna be needing Notepad plus plus. Uh, that's you should probably already have it if you have a DayZ server that you're hosting on your own or whatever. Uh, but yeah, so just right click it, edit with Notepad plus plus. But I already have it set to that. Um, so you're gonna find all this stuff. This is like the AI that we made, and this is just some random crap. So you're gonna wanna find vehicle 0, which is the very first one, and then copy that all the way down to where the end. Don't copy this or anything above this. Just this. Okay, copy and get out of there. And you want to create a new text document. I already have my text document on my desktop. So yeah, this is something that I'm gonna post in the description, and it's just just make a desktop text document, put it in here, and yeah. So you have your copied stuff. Where it says paste here, you want to delete that, including the brackets, and paste it. Okay, perfect. Now I want to go to File, Save As. Save as type, you want to do this to all files, and then save it as norfairfield.sqf. Make sure you put the SQF or else none of this will work. Alright, save. Cool. Exit that. You can keep it or delete it, it don't matter. And so now you have this. You can exit this, and then you're going to go into your mission PBO, or I'm not using a mission PBO since I don't pay for hosting, I just host from my computer. But normally you just go into your mission PBO, but since I host from my computer, I go to MP missions, this thing, and lottie, you know. Okay, now, what I did was I created a folder called buildings. It is right here. And I'm going to drag this in, move to buildings. And so yeah, just want to drag your thing in from your desktop, wherever you saved it, into your buildings folder. Okay, now I want to go into your init.sqf. Should be in there. Go to the very bottom, and there shouldn't be anything here if you haven't done any of this. But if there is random stuff here, like your safe zone or any of this, just put your buildings above it. So this will be in the description. It'll say this dot or brackets execVM buildings slash whatever you named your thing .sqf. So I'll just copy and paste. I'll just copy that in the description. But for me, what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna go here. Yeah. Okay, perfect. So just copy what I did, or it'll be in the description, so you can copy and paste it. But do that. Make sure you have the .sqf and the thing right here. I forget what those are called. I don't know, public school. I actually go to private school, but whatever. And then you have a semicolon at the end. Here, yeah, semicolon. All right. If you have anything like a safe zone commander or Sarge AI or anything like that down here, and you put it below it, if it doesn't work, like you want to, by default, you should just put your stuff at the very bottom. But if that doesn't work, put it above your Sarge AI or your safe zone commander or anything you have. See, it wasn't working for me at first, so I just put it above my safe zone commander, and it ended up working perfect. All right. One last thing I forgot to add is if you want your stuff to actually spawn loot, which you probably do, you're gonna want to open up your thing and see how it says map right here. Instead of map, you want to do land on all of them. So it'll say map for all of yours, and you just want to manually go in and just do land on each one. There is a program that's supposed to do that for you, but I was just kind of too lazy to install that. So it's not even that hard just going through and just writing land on each one. So just do that, and it should be fine. Alright, that should cover it all. Thank you for watching, and please like and comment and share this video. If you have any questions on anything, just ask in the description, or the comments, I mean. But I should have covered everything. Alright, see you guys later.